Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable your power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and in here we're looking for the power saving mode. So we can swipe down on this section right here to extend the list, and I can already see here's my power saving mode, but I am pretty sure there's another mode right here which I'll add. So anyway, we can click right here on this box, and you can also do this if you don't see the power saving mode in here. And we're gonna swipe down, click on add tile, and this will display other tiles that aren't added in this initial list that I showed you. And one of the tiles that I wanted to add is the ultra power saving. So I'm going to click on the plus. This gets automatically added right here. Now we can actually move it around in here. Let's just kind of, I guess, extend it. So I can just grab it, for instance, shift it right, see here, so they're like right next to each other. There we go. Let's click on the check mark to save it, and once more, and we're good to go. So in here, let's start off with the normal power saving mode. So all you need to do is just click on it. First time around, it gets you this pop-up. So I recommend checking the box, don't remind me again. And going over this, power saving mode dark mode will be enabled, always on display, auto sync, and some other functions will be turned off. Background app activities will be restricted, and visual effects will be reduced. Now this is a lot of info, but one of the most important ones is kind of just glanced over. It's not, to people that don't really know what this does, you will just kind of read it and not really think too much of it. And is this part, auto syncing. This basically refers to checking for any kind of updates from applications that require internet connection. So what it will do is disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using this phone. So it would basically go into something that you could consider sleep mode. And because of that, it's going to turn off syncing. Therefore, it's not going to be looking for things like, for instance, WhatsApp messages, Instagram, and any other notifications that will require internet connection. Now, if you rely on your notifications being delivered to you on time, then obviously this is kind of going to break this this thing for you. And there is no option for you to turn off, to basically remove just this option, unfortunately. So you'll have to find maybe some other ways to manage your power. But this one obviously will not be it. So anyway, let's select enable. And you can see the mode is now turned on. Now, we also have lower refresh rate, dark mode, and so on. Now, once we're done with this, you can turn it off by finding this toggle once again and tapping on it the second time. And this reverts all the changes. So that's the first mode. Now ultra power saver mode, let's tap on it. This is basically everything that the normal power saving mode did plus more, and you will see that more right about now. Yep, there we go. So it changed our wallpaper to one that has a little bit more dark background to preserve battery. Removed most of my applications from the home screen, so I don't have app tray anymore or pages to this. It now prioritizes battery life. And in terms of notifications and toggles, we are looking at a pretty limited experience right here. But as you can see, as a kind of benefit of this upside, we are getting at right now nearly full battery, 94%. We're getting just a measly 128 hours of battery life remaining. Okay, that's pretty damn good. Now anyway, to leave this mode, we're going to click right here, and we're going to select exit. And this will basically go back to the normal mode. Now quickly showing one more thing. If I go in here, instead of tapping on these toggles, I can hold them. And this will take me to the settings for the battery. And under the, the battery usage mode, I can click on it and it will show me what the battery benefits will be of each one of this mode. So in balanced, which could be best described as a normal mode, we are getting about 45 hours of battery life, which is already pretty good. Power saving mode gets us about 7 more hours of battery life. And then ultra power saving mode gets us more than double of power saving mode in itself. So it gets us that 128 hours. So you can basically choose each one of these modes depending on which one you want and what your current circumstances. So as an example, normal power saving mode I would probably use on a typical kind of daily basis when I know that I will be able to charge my phone soon, and it's, I don't know, maybe at 10% or something like that. But I know that I still won't have access to any kind of charging for maybe hour or two. Now, the ultra power saving mode is if I left home, I won't be able to charge the phone for the entire day, and it's at 10% already. Now that's I'm gonna start off right away with the ultra power saving mode, as this will actually make the device last probably most of the day, even with that measly 10%. So that's kind of how I would be going with it. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.